Afternoon student, today we will do topic first, input and output devices. First is input devices. These devices are used for entering data into a computer system. The computer then converts the input into machine readable is a binary form. The input consists of the data and instructions depends upon the type of the input. Different input devices can be used. Some of these are discussed below. First is keyboard. Now we will discuss about the input devices. First is keyboard. Second is mouse. Third is CPU. Is called an input device. Now, keyboard. The most common input devices is the keyboard, which is used to input data from the text, from of text. It looks like a traditional typewriter. The alphabet keys are arranged in a special order called query format. There are usually 104 to 108 keys on standard window keyboard. Number keys, functions keys. This is called a number keys, functions keys, punctuation keys, backspace, delete, then numeric keys. This is called alphabet key, queries keys, spacebar and alphabet keys, arrows, enter keys. Clear to everyone? Now next is a mouse. It is a small object which can be moved over a flat surface, preferably a mouse pad. When it moves, a graph arrow head called a pointer moves on the screen. It is used for selecting any object on the screen. It has a left and right button or selecting along with a scroll wheel. This is called a scroll wheel in the center, which is used to move a page up and down. There are different types of mouse, likely a common use. Mechanical mouse, which is used a bell and roller system, or a optical mouse, which is used an LED light source and sensor. Clear to everyone? Mouse and keyboard. The next is central processing unit. CPU is called central processing unit. Is the brain of the computer where the most calculations take place. It is the most important part of the computer system. It consists of the electronic circuitry within a computer that carries out the instructions of a computer program. It performs the basic arithmetic, logic, control and input-output operation. First is arithmetic logic unit. It performs all arithmetic calculation like as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also takes care of all logical comparison. Next is control unit. CU is called a control unit. It uses electrical signals to instruct a whole computer system for carrying out or executing the instruction. It controls and coordinates all the components of the computer. Now next is storage unit. The storage unit is a fundamental component of the computer. The central processing unit of computer multiples the data by performing completions. The data which is to be processed and instructions to process the data are stored here. The output is called stored here. The output is also stored here. Next is output devices. The output devices are hardware equipment used to display the result of the data processing carried by the CPU of the computer. It converts the information which is electronic form into human readable form. Depends upon requirement. Different devices are used for the purpose. Let's discuss about some of the common used output devices. LED, CD, printer, plotter, projector and speaker is an output device. See, LED, monitor, laser printer, plotter, speaker and projector is a output device. I hope you understand the topic input and output device. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.